Hello everyone, I am Kamlesh Kumar Sahu, Assistant Professor, Department of Basic Science from Oriental College of Technology. I am going to present on presentation relaxation method. Relaxation method. Solve the system of linear algebraic equation using by relaxation method. 10x minus 2y minus 3z equal to 205 and minus 2x plus 10y minus 2z equal to 54. Equation 2, then minus 2x minus y plus 10z equal to 120. From equation 1 and 2, the residual are operation table, then trx, try, trz, t minus 10 from equation 1 differentiation with respect to xyz, then minus 10 minus 2, then 2 minus 10 1, then equation 1 differentiate with respect to y respectively, then equation 3 differentiate with respect to xyz. In this method is the reduce, minimize, the residual are given, increase to the variable, the process stop, the residual becomes 0 or near to 0. Residual tables, operations, values rx, ry and rz. The initial value put x equal to 0, y equal to 0, z equal to 0, r of x, then 205, r of y 154, then r of z 120. Since delta of x equal to 205 upon minus 10 equal to 20.5 equivalent 20. Put the equation 1, 2, 3, 4 keeping y and z constant. Since the residual that is 205 in equation 1, r of x equal to 205 minus 10 plus 2y plus 3z, put the equation x equal to 20 and keeping y and z constant, then 205 minus 10 equal to 5. Since the residual that is 154 equation in r of y equal to this, put the value of x equal to 20 and y and z constant, keeping y and z constant, then 154 plus 2 into 20 equal to 194. Since the residual that is 120 in equation r of z equal to, put the value of x equal to 20 keeping y and z constant, 120 plus 2 into 220 equal to 160. Delta of y, r of y upon b2. Since the residual is 190 in r of y, since b take in the approximate value of delta of y, r of y upon b2. Now since delta of y equal to 194 upon minus 10 equal to 19.4 equivalent 19, put the value of in equation 1, 2, 3 keeping x and z constant. Since the new residual and that is 5, our new equation becomes r of y, r of x equal to 5 minus 10x plus 2, put the value of y keeping x and z constant, then 5 plus 2 into 19 equal to 40. Using new residual that is 94, new becomes r of y equal to 94, then keeping x and z constant equal to 4, then using by residual new becomes r of z equal to, then keeping x and z constant, 160 plus 19 equal to 170. Since the metric residual is 179 in rz, hence we take the approximate value delta z r of z upon c3, then r of z equal to 179 upon minus 10 equal to 17.9 equivalent 18. Put the equation 1, 2, 3 x and z constant, then using new residual that is 5 in equation becomes r of x equal to 43, then z equal to 18 keeping x and z constant equal to 97. The new residual that is 5 of new equation becomes r of y 4 plus 2x minus 10z equal to 2z, put the keeping x and z constant now equal to 40. Now using residual 179 in equation becomes r of z 179, then z equal to 18 and keeping x and y constant, 179 equal to minus 1. Since the maximum residual 97 in r of x, hence the put the approximate delta of x rx upon a1. Then put the value of delta f 97 upon 9.7 equivalent 10. The put the value in equation 1, 2, 3 y and z constant. The new residual 97. The new equation becomes 9. Put the value of x equal to 10 and by keeping y and z constant equal to minus 10. The new equation, the new residual that is 40 of new equation becomes the put the value of x equal to 10 and keeping y and z constant equal to 60. The new using new residual equal to minus 1, new equation becomes r of z. The put the value of x equal to 10 and keeping y and z constant equal to 19. Since the maximum residual is 60, the in r of y, since b take approximate value delta by ry upon b2, then delta y equal to 16 upon minus 10 equal to 6. Equation 1, 2, 3, 4 put keeping by x and z constant. The new residual minus 3. The new equation becomes put the value y equal to 6 and x and z constant equal to 9. The new residual that is 60 equation becomes put the value y equal to 6 x and z constant equal to 0. The new residual that is 19. The new equation becomes r of z equal to put the value of y equal to z and x and z constant equal to 25. Since the maximum residual 25 and hence the taken approximate value to delta z equal to r of z upon c3 equal to 25 upon minus 10 2.5 equal to 2. Put the equation 1, 2, 3, 4 x and y constant. Hence the new residual is 9 of new equation becomes put the value of z equal to 2 and keeping x y constant equal to 15. The new equation residual and becomes put the value of z equal to 2 and x and y constant equal to 4. The new equation residual r of z equation become put the value of x equal to the y equal to constant. Then since similarly x equal to 2, y z equal to 1, y equal to 1, minus 2 5 8 9 minus 2 10 minus 1 0 0 0. Since the all residual r becomes, hence the stop the process also. Delta of x equal to 20 plus 10 plus 2 equal to 32. Delta y equal to 19 plus 6 plus 1 26. Delta z equal to 10 18 plus 2 plus 1 equal to 20. Hence the final solution x equal to 32, y equal to 26 and z equal to 21. Thank you very much.